Horses out, we have Sito Net, pass to begin encouragement, moving up on the outside, joint account, Giginhawa, Shuttler's Treasure now in port, Amazing Damascus and Mapagtiis, sees the early trailer, we have encouragement, Giginhawa is on the outside second, 3 lengths in third is joint account, Shuttler's Treasure in fourth, Amazing Damascus in fifth, down in sixth, Sito Net, and a long way back to Mapagtiis. And it's still encouragement by about 3/4 of a length. Giginhawa is on the outside second. 4 lengths still watching in third is joint account. Then here comes Shuttler's Treasure in fourth. Sito Net, Amazing Damascus, and Mapagtiis. And it's still encouragement by about a length. Giginhawa still in second. And here comes joint account. Now trying to get closer in third, Shuttler's Treasure now in fourth, then followed by Amazing Damascus. Encouragement still in front by Awaralenga, and on the outside is Giginhawa. Joint account, Shuttler's Treasure, Amazing Damascus is not on the inside. Encouragement moving up, Shuttler's Treasure, Amazing Damascus is moving up on the inside. It's Mapagtiis. We have Shuttler's Treasure now moves on the outside, and finally Shuttler's Treasure second. Mapagtiis close with encouragement. Then comes Amazing Damascus number 2.
Only the 5th